Here's interesting trending app called Live Status Share Your Life. So let's just go through the app, do a full tutorial for you in case you're interested and want to try it out. Yeah, it says Live Status is the first app that fully integrates iOS 16 widget features into messaging. On Live Status, you can send all types of messages, including text, photos, emoji status, and your drawings straight to your friends' lock and home screen. When your friends see your updates on screens, they can open the widget and send their messages back to your lock and phone screens. Live Status offers an intimate and innovative way for friends to chat and stay connected with each other. Yeah. So there you have it. In case you've heard about Locket widget or Live In widget, Noted widget, so this app basically combines all of them. In Locket widget, you can send photos. In Noted, you can send notes. Here you can send photos, pictures, images, notes, text, everything in one app, and using all these new smart home screen widgets, lock screen widgets, and all of that. Now, to use this app properly, you need to have at least iOS 14 to use home screen widgets, and to use lock screen widgets, you need to have iOS 16 and later. Meaning that your iPhone, if you're using an iPhone, it should be at least like iPhone 8 or iPhone 10, I think. So here is the app. And then what you can do basically, so let's just try it out. So here you can just go to your widget, and then you can choose a camera, drawing, or text. But before that, make sure to actually install this widget on your device. So just tap and hold, then you can see apps jiggling, and then you can tap plus in top right or top left. Then you can just search for Live Status, go there, and then you can just tap add widget. So there you have it, and now your widget is added. If you actually, let's just do it again, you can add multiple widgets. If you go here and go to Live Status, you see that there are three types of widgets. There is small one, which is just a small, which you can see right now. There is a bigger one, which covers literally half of your screen. And then there is a huge widget where you can see like 4 widgets from 4 different people. So you can select any one you like. But yeah, you need to install this before using. And also your friends need to install it as well. And then if you send photos to your friends, they will receive photos, text, or just some notes from you, and also you will receive the same stuff from your friends in your widget. So for example, let's just send it here. So you can just send it like that, okay, and then you can just send it like this, whatever. You can just draw, and then in top right you can select to who you want to send. So here you can just select either you want to send to yourself, to the group of people, and to specific contacts. Also, you can just tap to create a new group, and then you can just create the group from your contacts. So then you can just tap send, and then there you have it. Then this image will be also sent to your private chat. So now, as you can see, the widget is being updated because just for this video tutorial I sent it to myself as well. So that's basically the idea. So that's how it works. We can also go through this and then you can see that you can just add widget to home screen. That's what I did, and then you can just chat with your friends via these widgets. So take photos, create drawings, or test photos, and send it to your friend's home screen. In this video I just showed you how to install a widget on the home screen, but you can also use it on your lock screen, meaning that it can also appear on your lock screen, but you need to have iOS 16 for that. And when you have that, just lock your phone screen, tap customize on your lock screen, and then select Live Status here. Then basically you can go and, for example, if you want to change your profile information, you can change your photo, you can change your name. Um, then you can change your widget settings, so you can select your best friends from your friends, and then their posts will be updated in your widget. So currently these are the people, and I should see their posts in my widget. Like overall, like why do people tend to like these new widgets? Like you can ask like, uh, you can send all these photos and messages in your Messenger or WhatsApp or Signal, but yeah, sometimes it's just it's just easier to use it on a home screen or lock screen. You don't need to open your screen, log into the app, go to specific chat, and so on. So here you just have widget right on your home screen. Just open your phone and you instantly see messages either from your loved ones, from your friends, or from some important people. And you can keep like other messages in your regular messenger. And this is like pretty fast. Yeah, it's pretty cool technology actually. There are so many new apps like Locket widget, Noted, Live In, like BeReal widget emojis, like a lot of these new widgets there. And then here you can select some settings. You can save widgets to your phone. You can select privacy settings. You can block users if you want. If you want to delete your account, you can easily do it here in the app. But yeah, just make sure that you do it carefully, because since it's not recoverable, account deletion is not retrievable. You will not be able to use this live status account nor retrieve your follows, likes, or anything you posted associated with the account. So that's that. So that's basically it. If you have any questions or like support issues, you can just reach out to the support here in this setting. Here you also have all your chats which you're sending to each other. You can unfriend, block, report. And then yeah, you can also see your friends. Of course, like how to add friends. So here you can just go and search for friends like that, and then you can just tap add friend. That's pretty cool that you can add friends here from all the places, because in Locket widgets you can only add like 20 people invited by your phone number, so they should be mostly in your phone book, or you need to know their phone number. Here you can just invite friends from all around the planet. Here you have your friends, you have your groups. You can create a new group here from your contacts, which is also pretty handy. When you want to send a new photo or new update, you can just send it directly to the group. You can give access to your contacts, and that's basically it. Also, you just have all these groups, and you have them in the form of chats as well. So that's basically the idea. Kind of that's how it works. And then you can just continue to add in more photos or creating new groups. That's it. So super easy app, like very minimalistic, and you can get your way around it very quickly. You can understand it very easily how it works. And then you can just have a lot of fun with your friends. They can install widgets, you can install widgets. And yeah, if you actually enjoy widgets, if you like apps like Locket, Live In, or something like that, like definitely give a try to this app, because it combines everything in one place. So hopefully it will evolve and become better, and there will be not a lot of ads and all of that. And as you can see, it's kind of free. So I didn't upgrade or anything. So yeah, hope that can be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Check out my blog, check out my TikTok for additional info, and thank you for watching.